Good morning, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. First time out, and the water's been this glassy, guys. I just got out today. Finally got a chance to get this kayak in the water on some glassy morning water early, guys. I realize now that you have to really push out early on the sea with this thing. So I'm here trying to pick up some snappers today, guys. I got a few bites. I got hitched a while ago. A whole bunch of things, guys. This morning did a ship on this port this morning, so I got to be careful what I'm doing. So I'm just working the size of this dock, seeing what I can pick up. I'm gonna head down there to the front, and I think I'll have better chance down there to pick something up. Let me head down there, guys, and see what I can pick up this morning. Wagwan. There, man. Hold on, man. There, man. There, go on easy, you see it? Try where I try, so I go on. Yeah, me call Gio this morning. He's supposed to link me with some this morning. So, yeah, I'm on Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Trying to lock both ways, guys. What do you want to do? Anchor? Yeah? What do you do? Yeah, your rod, right? Yo, what do you do? Come to this. Anchor, yes, I know. Remember saying, me can't lean so good, you know. We don't play bass. We have to stay steady, you know? Drop line fishing ain't working out for me at all, Jamaican shore fishing. Bait's being taken off the line, guys. I'm losing bait constantly. The fish is just bugging out right now. Seeing what I can pick up, guys. About 100 feet deep out here, guys. I'm not picking up anything on the transponder at all, because it's a cheap one. Should have just spent extra 50 bucks and gotten a good one. Would have been all right. And not have to be worrying about transponders. So after this drop lining, guys, I'm gonna see what's up. I'm gonna drop one more time out here, see what I can pick up. Like something bumped me a while ago, guys. Pretty deep out here, guys. So you guys can get a scene of the contour of what's going on here. Fish on, guys. Making sure fish in. First fish in the kayak, people. This is an achievement. Well, there's jackfish chasing it too, guys. Making sure fishing, guys. Look at this. First fish in the kayak, people. Look at that. Little yellowtail snapper, guys. First fish, just dunking back in there. Woohoo! Woo-wee! That's a doggy. Get him out there, guys. That's the first fish. That's an accomplishment. Even though it was small and I had to put it back, guys, that was nice. That was definitely a nice catch. First fish in the kayak. Wow, guys. I mean, it's small, but that's what's up, guys. That was cool. Wish I could get a big one. Well guys, after I run out of this bait, I'm gonna be doing a little bit of trolling in here before the water gets rough. It does get rough here at times, guys. Gotta be extremely careful in this depth of water that I'm in. I'm losing all my gears. Yeah guys, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. And it is definitely being out here, practicing, trying to get this thing right. I'm actually doing drop line fishing, guys. I haven't done any trolling or any jigging or anything like that yet. Planning on it, guys. Hopefully I can get that in now. And let's see what happens, guys. Fish on, guys. Making sure it's fishing. Fish on, guys. Another smallie. Look at this. There's another small guy. Yellowtail, guys. Yep. Check them out, guys. Nice little fish. Decent size, guys. Look at that. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Yep. Shoot. Back in here, guys. Sticky out here now. I'm gonna troll around. Making sure fishing here, guys. Guys, I don't want you guys to think this is a relaxed and easy setting. It's actually pretty challenging. I'm gonna head into shore now. I can feel the current pushing me sideways. Yeah, guys. You gotta be careful here. That current coming off that boat. Wag on, wait up, man. I catch two little snapper, but I show them back. I show them back, man. I troll, come run out a bit. So I troll my lure, see if I can pick up something. What you go do? I catch two little snapper, but I show them back, then two look of it. A baby that, man. And look a bit, you know. Anything 1 pound, half pound on them, yeah, me work with that. But now troll up and see if we can pick up something. See? Bang me there.